The BJP wants the NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2.0 government to have a cut-off date for implementing the roster system in keeping with the directive of the High Court of Meghalaya. Chairman of the BJP's internal committee to study the roster system, H.M. Shangpliang, told reporters here on Monday, said that the party is not saying that the roster system should be implemented prospectively or retrospectively, but the state government or the legislature should decide on a cut-off date. Meanwhile, BJP State President Ernest Maury, whose 3-year term has already ended on Monday, downplayed BJP leader and Cabinet Minister Alexander Lalu Heg's call for a leadership in the state party unit, saying that the remarks were of a personal nature.
I don't think we would like to say which date that the government should go to, because it is left best to the wisdom of the government. And let the government examine first at its level, in its own cabinet, and then they will have their party meeting, and then we shall discuss at length at that point.
Given by Abdul Haq, our MLA and Minister today, it is his personal statement. Unless the centre announced the election of the national president, we cannot have election. So I think he's very wrong in that statement.